Welcome to live training. We are at Nairobi West substation, as you can see, with Kenya Power. This week we are focusing on partial discharge training for electrical assets. This is a very crucial test to do because it is the first indication of possible insulation degradation or failure inside electrical assets. As you can hear, the transformers are live at the moment. We are waiting for Kenya Power to isolate. Once the transformer is isolated, we will connect our accessories to the measuring points on the transformer. Then we will connect the system, perform a calibration, and we will re-energize the transformer and perform a live PD measurement on an actual working transformer.
We have supplied the ICM system, which is a portable partial discharge test equipment, and today we are just having a practical session. With this test, with the partial discharge test, the Kenya Power team can be able to detect early the deterioration of the insulation, and they can be able to see the PD signals, and once they detect the partial discharge at the early stages, they can be able to react to it faster and save the asset. So as Amotech Africa, we are happy to partner with Kenya Power on this project, and as a company, we pride ourselves in not just delivering the equipment, but just making sure the customer has a well understanding of how to use the equipment and also to provide the after-sale service.
We are very proud to be partnering with Kenya Power and with Amotech. And remember, if you can monitor it, you can improve it.